Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over future orders on online orders. You can do future orders on the iPad, and that's on a different video. This one is just for online order future orders. So you can set the number of days that are allowed for future orders, and this is how far out they can go online and place an order. So to get here, you go to hrpos.heartland.us. You go to your menu up here at the top left. Go to location setup, and then you go to online ordering. And then you go to the online ordering tab, and this will take you to the general settings and future days allowed for online orders. So if we want to change this to 14 days, I can order 14 days out. Go down to the bottom and make sure to hit save, and then publish changes. Now if we go to our online ordering and refresh, now we'll be given an option to schedule for a later date, and we can choose up to 14 days in advance. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.